Passive income is the best type of income to have. What is passive income and why do you need it if you want to build wealth and achieve financial independence? Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Obed, and here we'll talk about personal finance and wealth building. So today we are diving into the wonders of passive income, what it is and why you need it if you want to build wealth. There are different types of income. I've made a video, I'll put it in the description. There is earned income, which is income you work for from your salary or your gigs. There is profit income, income coming from your business, buying and selling. There is dividend income from your stocks. There is rental income from real estate. There is royalty income and different types. Now, these different types of income are broadly classified into two, either active income or passive income. Active income are those income that you actively work for. You work for it and then you make the money. Talking about your profits that you made from actively buying and selling, or your salary you made from working in that your job. Then there is passive income, which is money that you did not work for, but your assets and your money worked for it. That is to say, you have worked and made money and acquired assets. Now, you have employed this your money and this your assets to now work and make money for you. This money is coming in whether or not you are working. That is passive income. Money coming in from your investments and your assets that does not require you to work at all. Now, this is what makes passive income very sweet, because whether you are sleeping or you are awake, your money and your assets are working for you. And you see, your money can work way harder than you can ever work for yourself. So, what makes passive income the best form of income is that it does not require your effort, it does not require your input. In most cases, very little effort to manage them, or not in trying to make the money anymore. Maybe if you have a property paying you rent, you may need to manage that property. If you have an online course hosted in a website, you may need to manage the website. And if you have a stock portfolio paying you dividends, you may need to keep your eye on that stock to ensure it's doing well. But basically, you do little or nothing to manage a passive income stream, but the money keeps coming, whether you are working or you are not working. It was Warren Buffett who said that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work till the day you die. And that is what makes passive income sweet. Whether you are sleeping or you are awake, your assets and your money are working for you actively and making you money that doesn't require your effort. What makes passive income the best form of income is that a day will come when you cannot work or you do not want to work. Maybe you retire from your job or your business is not doing well. Your active income can be affected, but your passive income from your assets and your investments are always intact. Now, there are different types of passive income. There is dividends from shares you bought. There is rental income from your properties that are paying you rent, whether they are residential or commercial. There is royalty income from your intellectual property. Maybe you wrote a book and published with a publisher who pays you a percentage for every sale. Or maybe you produced an album and it's streaming on a streaming platform and you are paid for every stream. Or even a YouTube channel, you are paid for every view on all your videos. These are passive income. You do not need to necessarily continue uploading before you can make money. The work you have done already is making you money. You can decide to keep building that income stream. You can decide to still leave it. The money will keep coming unless, of course, you liquidate that asset. Passive income is the best way to build wealth, and that's how rich people become wealthy. So, if you want to build wealth and achieve financial independence, convert your active income into passive income. That means gather money from your business or your salaries and begin to acquire assets and investments. Investments that can pay you while you sleep. Any form of passive income that you can engage in is better than relying only on active income, which is very unreliable. You see, wealth building is the process of acquiring passive income. Anything you are doing now that is not bringing you passive income, you are not building wealth. No matter how large your active income source is, your salary or your business profits, so long as it still requires your effort to bring in that income, it cannot make you wealthy. You can actually be rich through salary and business profits and all sorts of active income sources. But to be wealthy requires that you have passive income streams. Your assets and your investments are making you money that does not require your presence and your efforts anymore, such that even when you stop working, whether by choice or by chance, you still have income coming in from many of your investments and assets. That is what it means to be wealthy. So, wealth building is actually the process of acquiring massive passive income up to the point that you don't have to work again, but your money is now working hard enough to fund your lifestyle and every kind of spending that you will ever spend. That is being wealthy. So you need to find a way to start converting all those your active income streams into passive income. Start saving up, accumulating money, and then buying up investments and acquiring assets that will turn your cash and your active income into passive income that works even while you sleep. So that is the importance of passive income in your wealth building journey. If you must become wealthy and financially independent, passive income is what you should focus on. Wealth building is the process of acquiring passive income or converting active income into passive income such that you are making money all year round, all day round without your efforts even while you're sleeping. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos on personal finance and wealth building. See you in this next video.